Hello everyone, welcome back to Tlgx. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get free 300 credits in Google Cloud Skills. So make sure to open this website, then if you are already signed in, make sure to sign out and paste this link, then hit enter. Now click sign in, then sign in with Google, then choose your account. Okay, let's check it. As you can see, we have successfully got 9 credits. You can see the time. Okay, now go to home, then catalog section and click this lab, hit start lab. Make sure to run this lab for about 5 minutes, otherwise you won't get any credits. Let's meet after 5 minutes. As you can see in the screen, 5 minutes have already passed, so let's end this lab. Now we will refresh this page. Now check the credits. As you can see, we have got 300 credits successfully. So thanks for watching, and if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more such type of videos as we are